Hello dear Steemians, DTubers, members of Uptrend and all beautiful blockchain people. That's me again at CryptoSpy. This is my next cryptocurrency market overview. Just to let you know that earlier today I announced that on Saturday, May 18, the next Activate contest, Take It Easy, will take place. And again, this contest will be supported by the cryptocurrency exchange FreedomEx. So people or activators who will be able to take over 15,000 steps using the Activate application will be eligible to receive 3 FreedomEx tokens. So if you want to participate, just drop a comment below this post. Now, as I said, FreedomEx, our beautiful Steem-centric exchange, will support that contest. I just want to let you know that yesterday they wrote on Steemit, on their Steemit page, that they have implemented some interface upgrades, so you can have a look at that post. FreedomEx is working very hard on improving the interface of the cryptocurrency exchange, and keep in mind that in a couple of months probably the interface of the cryptocurrency exchange of FreedomEx will be really very nice, and it has been constantly improving and it's getting better and better. So stay tuned, follow FreedomEx for all the news about the exchange, and if you have questions, of course you can ask me in the comments. Now, just to let you know that I'm going to the DTube Forum that will kick off in 2 days, or on Friday, so today is Wednesday, on Friday in Barcelona. So this is the page of the DTube Forum at DTube.forum. So later today, after this video, probably in 2 hours, I will go to the airport, and early in the morning tomorrow I'm flying to Barcelona. So as I said yesterday, this is my last video for this week, and I will make my next cryptocurrency market overview next week on Wednesday. So 1 week I will have a little bit break, so because I'm going to this DTube Forum in Barcelona. But fellas, we will stay in touch, and that's why I just want to let you know that at TipFox, he's a very nice Steemian. He has a community for German-speaking YouTubers. He published yesterday the schedule, actually today, the schedule of the DTube Forum. So let me show you his post. This is his post, and he uploaded a short video. So he's really a very nice video content creator at TipFox, so you can follow him. That's the schedule. This is, for example, the schedule for the first day. That will be Friday. And keep in mind, fellas, that we have a very beautiful application built on the top of Steem blockchain. This is at vim.tv. So using this platform for live streaming, all of you beautiful people, DTubers, Steemians, and all blockchain people, we will be able to stay in touch. You will be able to ask your questions using this application vim.tv. So have a look at their Steemit page, and this is actually the schedule. There will be many representatives of DTube, DSound, Clean Planet, Activate, of some communities for DTubers that are really very famous ones, such as D-Daily, One Love DTube, and etc. So and even one of the members of vim.tv, yesterday actually I talked with him. I'm very happy that he will also jump in, and they will have this presentation. Of course, it will be live streaming, so you will be able to stay in touch with us. Fellas, please join the DTube Forum. If you are not able to come to Barcelona, just participate in this live streaming and ask your question. I'm really very excited, and as I said earlier, in a couple of hours I'm going to the airport. So now let's move to the beautiful site of CoinGecko, and let's have a look at the prices of the major cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is trading close to the psychological level of $8,000. This is words that people working in the financial industry, as chartists, as financial analysts, as currency analysts, as cryptocurrency analysts, use those psychological levels of 8,000, of 9,000, 10,000, etc. I just want to let you know that we will have a look at the chart, and I will tell you why I reiterated a couple of times the psychological level of $8,000. But at the very beginning, I just want to let you know that CoinGecko, they have introduced trust score to combat fake exchange volumes. Read the announcement. So if we click on this link, this is actually their blog, and they implemented it 2 days ago on May 13. So now when you, for example, track some currencies, for example, Bitcoin, and you want to check the trading volumes of Bitcoin on the different crypto exchanges, clicking on exchanges, those are the exchanges on which different Bitcoin pairs are traded. And here in their blog, CoinGecko explained how they are trying to combat this fake or inflated volume data. This is their formula here, and for example, according to their new functionality or feature that they have implemented, for example, top 5 exchanges by reported trading volumes are ZBG, OK Exchange, Dobby Trade, ZB, Fcoin. I even, to be honest, don't know these exchanges that much. Of course, I know OK Exchange. Some of those exchanges I know, but I've never used them. But those are really very prominent and big exchanges, big names. And that's why, for example, if CoinGecko, if they apply their formula according to their new implementation, those are the top 5 exchanges by normalized trading volume: Binance, Coinbase Pro, Bitfinex, HitBTC, and Kraken. So keep in mind that you can have a look at this new implementation, and this is on the site of CoinGecko. And even if you have a look, at the Steem page of CoinGecko, yesterday they published a post about it, and they have explained in their post, in details what it is about, what was their idea, what is the main idea behind this approach, and etc. So have a look at their post, and it's really a great job. CoinGecko is doing really well. It's not that it's not just because I'm wearing this beautiful t-shirt that I will wear in Barcelona as well during the DTube Forum, but they have been working quite hard, and they're really hard workers and doing really too much for improving this, let's say, blockchain community. So now let's have a look at the charts, because I have reiterated a couple of times the psychological level of $8,000. So this is the price of Bitcoin, actually the price chart of Bitcoin, and this is actually a 1 week time frame or a weekly time frame. Yes, the bulls still, they have the dominance over the bears. Why? Because we see this sequence of candlesticks, of bullish candlesticks that have ascending highs and ascending lows. So according to the candlesticks analysis that I have been applying for the last probably 12 years, this is a bullish signal. But if we switch to a 1-day chart, something interesting is happening at the moment, and we see some break or interruption of that sequence of candlesticks with ascending highs and ascending lows. So this is the candlestick for yesterday. Yes, it has a local high and local low higher than the previous local highs and local lows, but today we have a dodge, a very small candlestick that has a local low higher than the previous local low, but local high that is not higher than the previous local highs. So it means that at this psychological level of $8,000, the bulls and bears, they have found some consensus probably, and now they will make some kind of break. At least it seems to me at the moment, according to the charts. So I'm very curious, because you can have a look at the other candlesticks, and for example, we have had mainly candlesticks with ascending highs and lows, so it means probably we will have some consolidation here within this psychological level, plus minus 500 or even $1,000. Let's see. Of course, I will keep an eye on the charts, even though that I'm going to Barcelona. I've been working in this area, in this financial area for the last 13 years. I've been working in front of those charts, different charts, for the last 13 years, spending some days more than 8 hours a day, 12 or 14 hours. So I'm used to those charts, and I don't know even if my life I will be able to leave these charts away. Probably I will spend all of my life in front of such kind of charts. I don't know, it seems that this is my direction. But let's move. The last thing that I want to do today is let's move to the price of Steem. And now we see that Steem is slowly approaching the psychological level of 40 cents. Yes, to some exchange, those prices or these prices are a little bit biased, because if we have a look at the information about the exchanges, it seems that, let's have a look at the price, that Open Ledger DEX has price at level close to 50 cents. BitHub, yeah, that's Korea. Koreans are really very enthusiastic about Steem, probably, and all of those cryptocurrencies. That's why we see that the prices are a little bit higher and close to 40 cents, to the psychological level to 40 cents. But if we have a look at the most famous exchanges such as Binance, Bittrex, the price is between 37 and 38 cents, and Huobi Global at the moment close to 38 cents. But that's really something nice, that the price of Steem has been increasing for the last 2 days. And now let's switch to the price charts. To the price chart of Steem, I want to show you some interesting patterns using the candlestick analysis that I've been applying all the time during my cryptocurrency market overview. So let's choose 1 day, 1 week, and 1 month time frame. So let's move to 1 week chart. Something positive. I see something positive on the chart. This is the first week we see for the last, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. So this is the first week within the last 6 weeks that has actually a higher high than the previous high and a higher low than the previous low, and we see a bullish candlestick. So it makes me happy. Probably this will be the beginning of some rebound. So if the other cryptocurrencies sometime lack, or they follow the trajectory of Bitcoin, but they follow it with some lag, time lag or time break, probably now this will start here. If the price of Bitcoin starts to consolidate, and if the price of Bitcoin doesn't drop, I think that some of the other cryptocurrencies, they will rebound as well, because probably many people who hold Bitcoins, they have closed some of their positions, and now they're moving some kind of some amount of money into other crypto to buy other crypto at lower levels. Sometimes the traders and the speculators, they have such approach, I know, because I've been working in this area for the last 13 years. So it may be the beginning of a new rebound on the price chart of Steem. But this is actually Korean won. Let me choose USDT. It is almost the same, to be honest. This is the candlestick, the 1 week candlestick. And now if we go to 1 day chart, I see some sequence of bullish candlesticks, and actually this formation is 3 white soldiers, those 3 candlesticks. But we still have to be a little bit cautious, because we're still within this downward channel, and I am very curious if the price of Steem will be able to get out of this flag or descending channel. And we're now at this crucial trend line on a 1 day and actually on a 4 hour chart. So let's see what will happen in the near future, but at least on a 1 week chart I'm happy that we have this bullish candlestick that has higher low and higher high if compared to the previous two candlesticks. So that's it for today, fellas. Thanks for watching. Once again, a couple of hours I'm going to the airport. I'm flying to Barcelona. I will participate in the DTube Forum. Stay tuned, use vim.tv, and you will be able to be in touch with us online. So thank you for watching. That was me again at Crypto Spa, and hope to see you from Barcelona. Have a great day.